Get out of here, engine. Now you get. Engines ain't allowed in saloons, especially this one. Get out of here. I told you. She tried to lay me open. Throw her out of here.
Those are the Indians that stole our horses.
Yeah, let's get them.
I ought to blow your head off. These Indians stole our horses. Just look at the brands.
Somebody get me a rope.
Come on. Aren't you getting a little previous with hanging talk, mister?
Now listen, we hang people for horse stealing, let alone Injuns.
Well, not today.
All right, let's get this over with. Come on.
Let her go. I said let her go, you bitch. Go on, get out of here. Get out of here. Go away. Go on. Go on, get out of here. Go away. Get out of here. I'll show you a real hanging. Go on.
Will you hold still for a while?
Go on. Come on, Pocahontas, before these big, brave critters try to scalp you.
Chris, will you take this scalp lifter away from him? You have a real talent for getting mixed up in things, don't you?
Well, if you'll give me a hand with this yearling panther, I'll explain.
Now, that I'd like to hear.
I don't know what you thought you were doing, but you couldn't have rode down a worse street. If there's anything less popular around here than a Comanche, it's two of them. Ain't gonna do any good howling like a coyote. If you had to steal a horse, why did you have to ride it into town?